Infinix Mobility launches the second mobile of Smart series, which is Infinix Smart 2. They say that Smart 2 is for be smart, be yourself. This phone comes with 18:9 having 5.5 Infinity HD display. It has 8-megapixel dual-flash low-light selfie camera. The most important thing about this phone is 4G LTE. Now, last but not the least feature they have in this phone is Face Unlock. So, with a 5.5-inch HD display, they have 18:9 screen. Which makes Smart 2 having a screen of a slim bezel design to give you an amazing viewing experience and comfortable usage. Smart 2 Mobile gives you 8-megapixel front camera with dual flash, which helps you to take the bright selfies even in the low light. At the back, we have 13-megapixel camera that gives you the bokeh effect. It helps you to get the best portraits and upgrading your photography skills. We can find the flash at the front and back side of the camera. Let's talk about the dual SIM card. We can find that this phone comes with dual 4G LTE SIM card slots in a single device. An interesting feature in this mobile is Intelligent Face Lock, which sports face recognition to simply unlock the phone with the face. So, you will no need to remember your password anymore. This mobile comes with XOS, which is Infinix-based operating system OS. It comes with Android 8.1 Oreo. Everything concerned about its design. This mobile comes with the modern design, which is fashionable and colorful. This mobile has a metallic feel texture, which is available in 4 colors. These are sandstone black, Bordeaux red, shiny gold and city blue. It gives smartwatch perfect premium and stylish look. Next, let's talk about its battery. Infinix Smart 2 battery comes with 3050 mAh, which is the really large battery. So, it helps you to go on the long trips and it can last almost 1 day easily. Infinix Smart 2 price is only 15,699 Pakistani rupees.